Your new home in Tempe, Arizona, and the zip code is 85284. Here's a view of the front of your home, a view down the street. Your new home faces true north. Now, I'm Paul Pelczaraski. My wife Jodi and I were the owners of Arizona IQ Realty. To have a private showing or see the home in real life, contact us. We'd be happy to set it up. I like this front courtyard. It's a great way to start your day, relax, check your email, have a cup of coffee. Now let's go inside your new home. Tile in all the right places. Here's the master bedroom. Love those vaulted ceilings, gorgeous windows. 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Here's your master bathroom, double sinks, large walk-in closet. And you know, one of the things I like about this, in your garden tub, you have a view of the side of the home. We'll look at that closer later on. So this is a 3-bedroom split floor plan. A rare opportunity in Tempe, Arizona. Here's bedroom 2. Now you have inside laundry right there, full-size washer and dryer. Here's bathroom 2. Bedroom 3. Beautiful windows, sunscreens. The vaulted ceilings on your new home make the house so open and spacious. Ceiling fans throughout. The kitchen has been remodeled. It's new cabinets, self-closing drawers, granite counters, brand new sink. Let me also mention a new hot water heater, a new roof. Now I want to talk about some opportunity in this home. Something you can do to immediately increase its value. That's new carpet. Now this is a loft, a den, a home office. We've had contractors price this out. For $2,500, you could turn this loft into the 4th bedroom. Now if you're looking at what could you get for rent, you'd be looking at around $1,900. Once it's the 4th bedroom. Wood shutters. Folks, this is just a really nice house. So you see how it's a 3-bedroom with a home office, den, or a loft area. You could make it a 4th bedroom if you ever wanted to make it a rental. There's nothing left to do, just to move in, unpack your bags, relax, and enjoy the good life. Okay, let's go into the backyard. You have a 2-car garage. Now, what I'm not talking about that's in the area is you have 2 bus routes, one that runs north and south and another one that runs east and west. You're less than a mile from the ASU Research Park. Lots of jobs to be found in that area. In fact, it's a great location to find employment. Here you are looking into your master bathroom. Very relaxing here. There's that new roof. New roof on the house and new roof on the garage. You can also enjoy a cup of coffee in the backyard. Let's go back into the home. It's a fireplace. Now for $47 a month with the HOA, this is your greenbelt area. I don't think there's a dog out there that wouldn't love that yard. There's a community pool. Now it has 2 pools. This one's an infant play pool. It's about 1 foot deep. Another look at the greenbelt area. And here's the main pool. I'm Paul Pelczaraski. My wife is Jodi Pelczaraski. We're the owners of Arizona IQ Realty, and we're the listing realtors on this home. To schedule a showing, for more video, for more pictures, contact us. 480-777-7898, info@weneedtomeet.com. We can help you with all your real estate needs, and thank you for looking at this video.